Ooh, I need to clean my windshield. That looks very dirty on video. Ooh, it's a motorbike. Okay, moving on. So, if you're me, it appears to be impossible to win nowadays, because everyone just makes excuses and then they try to like say something bad about your setup, regardless of anything. For those who have followed me for a little while, you would know that I had my back seats in many years ago, and the comment would be, "You're hiding subs." Okay, I take my back seat out. Apparently, as soon as you take a back seat out, it's an extreme build. Like, people think you got concrete inside your doors, and there's all kinds of crazy stuff here. I just took my back seat out, man. Like, what do you want from me? I could put it back in 10 minutes. It's not hard. Like, oh my God. And then, you know, if you play low, you're not musical. And if you're musical, you can't play low and loud, and vice versa. It's always something that gets moved, which I always debunk because it's just people trying to make reasons to hate on my stuff, which I think it's really funny. Some people are very creative. I just wish they were creative with their own setups, but it appears to not be the case. So, what do I have back here? I got the Z8, which for some reason, man, as soon as you put anything sundown in your car, you have like the biggest group of people that love you and the biggest group of people that hate you. And then it's like, you can't win at all. But let me enjoy my bass. I like this subwoofer. Wow, controversial apparently. And not musical and doesn't know SQ. Do you not see the KEFs there? The KEF Uni-Qs in my dash, which I do have the AC reventer there. I just haven't printed up the thing yet, and my AC don't work anyway. I need to get regassed, so I haven't bothered. Long story. But do you not see them there? And then, excuse me, camera, my dirty floor, but also the 8s imported enclosures molded to the door. Those are 250 hertz each side, and they're kicked in, which is unfortunate. But whatever, the cheap Peerless SLS 8s, I'll probably get Sundown SA8Ms in there at some point. And this is all DSP tuned. This is all correct. This is all time aligned, and everything's phasing perfectly for my dummy head right here. I apparently don't ship SQ though. Regardless of what people want to say, it does what it does. Regardless of what anyone wants to say. It just does it. I'm going to continue to do it until I get very bored, which is probably quite soon. Because, you know, is this cool? Oh, absolutely. Is it getting a bit boring after years of doing it? Yeah, it is a little bit. I want to go bigger. I want to get more extreme. I want to have more fun. So I'm thinking of quite a few big builds I could do within this year. So, won't be too long and I'll probably stop doing 8s. I think there's only a couple I'm really interested in. It's the DTX Dreamschool 8s and those Kicker L7X8s. And once those are done, probably going to call it quits. Probably. Not quits for car audio, but we're going to move up to bigger, crazier shit. I really want 160 at 20 hertz in a daily driver. This is my daily driver. I take this car every day. I drive this thing. That's why it's never perfect, and it's, you know, a 20-plus-year-old vehicle. But I have the SSA here. We're just going to do some demos with the Sundown Z8 with the back seats in.
И я на грани. Город Калейдон, но разбросаюсь. Товарищ капитан, не судите слишком строго. Я ее найду.
I wish the sun would go away, but we got a bit of Babytron here. Leon Rott, I think that's how you say his name. I've known this kid for years, man. He's not even a kid anymore. That's how long I've known this dude for. Anyway, here we go. Here's nothing.
Fire. We got grease.
Window sealed. That window down. Sun down Z8. Actually, no, just kidding. It's 25 IB 3 inches. That's what it is.
The fire. We got grease.